I'm going to show you how to embed your survey and your results into your paper. So you can see I'm at the title page. I'm going to scroll all the way down to my works cited. I'm going to click enter at the end of my works cited until I get to the top of the next page. I'm going to center and I'm going to title this page appendix or appendices if I have more than one item in here. I'm going to click enter and I'm going to backspace. Then I'm going to write the words survey link. I'm going to pull up my survey and you can see I have a couple surveys I've done, so I'm going to click on the one I want to use, the one I conducted for this paper. So once I click my survey, it should take you to a screen where, not Internet Explorer problems, let's try that again. There we go. Should take you to a screen that says summary, design, collect responses, or analyze results. I want to hit collect responses for now, even though you've already done this. And I want to choose the option that says web link. When I do that, it should take me to the link that will just have my survey questions and nothing else. I'm going to right click and copy that link. I'm going to go back into Microsoft Word, highlight the words survey link. I'm going to right click and hyperlink it in. And so you can see the text displayed will be survey link, and the address it's going to lead me to when I click on it is the SurveyMonkey questions. So now it has a blue line, it's been underlined. When I toggle over it, you can see it says the web address. And now I don't need you to rewrite all your questions. You can simply just have it embedded with the link right in. The next thing is I'm going to go back to my survey and I'm going to click on Analyze Results. When I get to Analyze Results, I'm going to choose Customize. And you can see I have a couple options for how I want my chart to look. But what you want to click on is Display Options. And I want you to click on Show Data in the chart and Apply to All. And click Save. What that does is it puts the numbers right into your chart. So you know exactly how many people said what they said for each one. So let's say I don't want to use this first thing. I didn't use this piece of information in my paper. You don't need to put it because I'll know you asked that question from your survey link. However, I did use this information in my paper right here. What you're going to do is you're going to put your screen so that you can see the whole graph and the numbers if you like. You can also just give me the graph. Either one works because you already have the numbers embedded in there. And you're going to go to your window and you should have an option for what's called a snip tool. I'm going to start typing in the word SNI and you see snipping tool. You want to pop that open. What happens when you open this snipping tool, it lets you pretty much copy any image and you can put it now in your paper. So I want to copy this question. I want to make sure I get my square perfectly around this question and I want to get the data with it too, just in case. I don't absolutely need it, but I want to get this whole thing. So once I let it go, you can see it gives you this pop-up screen with the data on it. Now I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back into my Microsoft Word. I'm going to make sure I've entered, and I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to paste it. So now I've embedded in my appendix the actual results to my data, so I don't need to log into your account to see what you did. And I could resize it, I could play around with it, and so on. And I will do this for every piece of information I used in my paper that's in my survey. So if I use this, I will do the same thing. If I use this piece of information, again, I will do the same thing and I will snip it and I will paste it right in. And you will keep doing that. And then you will save and you'll have your appendix done with your survey.